In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure Hotmail. We're going to lock down your Hotmail, also known as Outlook, by turning on two-step verification through your Microsoft account. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Outlook sign-in page. Click Sign In, then choose your existing account if you're asked. Enter your credentials as you normally would and complete any current verification prompts so you can reach your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look toward the upper right corner and click your profile picture or initials. From that menu, select My Microsoft Account. This takes you to your account dashboard in a new tab. If you're prompted to confirm which account you want, click the same account to continue. On the account dashboard, click the Security section. Next, choose Manage How I Sign In. This area controls the ways you prove it's really you, including your password, authenticator apps, and verification methods. Scroll down the page until you see two-step verification, then click the option to turn it on. Two-step verification adds a second check when you sign in, so even if someone learns your password, they still can't get in without your approval. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. You can use an authenticator app, text messages, or email codes. The Microsoft Authenticator app is usually fastest and most secure. Whatever you choose, add at least one backup method so you're not locked out if you lose access to your primary device. When recovery codes are offered, download or write them down and store them somewhere safe and offline. As you finish setup, you may see prompts about creating app passwords for older mail apps that don't support modern authentication. Only generate these if you actually use such apps and store them securely. After enabling two-step verification, future sign-ins to Hotmail will ask for your second factor on new devices. On trusted personal devices, you can choose to reduce prompts but avoid doing that on shared or public computers. If something doesn't look right during setup, pause and review each screen. Microsoft will clearly label the verification option you're enabling, and you can back out before saving changes. That's it. You navigated from Outlook to your Microsoft account, opened security, managed how you sign in, turned on two-step verification, and completed the setup. Your Hotmail is now significantly more secure.